what if I will record myself speaking 100 days in English on camera and practicing? Because I'm an English learner and decided to challenge myself. Today's day officially 87. We're getting closer to the finish. Yo bro, let's start off. First question, do you prefer watching movies at home or in a cinema? I definitely prefer watching movies at home because first of all, with developing our internet and online services, it is getting much more available every single year. And I don't need to go anywhere to spend my time just by getting to the destination than to spend my money buying the tickets and watching in a big space with someone else when at the same time I can sit alone at home and just relax, watch any movie what I like, what I really need right now, and just enjoy myself, spend a great time. Even if I wanna be with friends, we can gather in my room and watch together. Second task: the man expresses opinion about student suggestion they made in the letter. All right, now I need to explain it right now. Letter was about specifically suggestion about solving problems with the doctor center, like medicine center in the campus of university. Because of several problems, it is overcrowded. Every day from Monday to Friday, there's a lot of people waiting for doctors, and you're supposed to you gotta wait for 2 hours and then you will just get 3 minutes treatment from an overworked doctor who's retired, and that is not how it's supposed to work. The second reason was about students can't get this treatment from a doctor in a weekend, so if you get sick you need to just wait till Monday. Man expressed that actually this letter it is not relevant right now because this doctor center, medicine center, it is tiny and there is not enough space just to hire new staff, new doctors. First of all, we need to expand the building, and second of all, during the weekends, on the weekend, a lot of students leave campus. So there is almost no one who maybe will need this treatment from doctors. And actually, we are not able to solve this problem properly currently. Third task, according to the lecture, what are the cultural benefits of palentology? First of all, I need to mention that palentology is a study about ancient animals, ancient organisms, what we can discover by digging fossils and researching them. Just scrutinize all this information to get conclusion. And several benefits what I'd like to emphasize talking about paleontology is that by ancient fossils we can study about evolution process in our planet Earth. We can know about extinct animals who has already died and learn how they adapted to some kind of climate change, to environment, and predict the same situation about future animals, what can happen in our planet. And the second benefit is it is studying about specifically human beings, about us, about our cultures and developing society in the past years, decades, in the past centuries. Let's ask, what are the benefits of predictive analytics? The first really bright benefit is that these new automatic machines can analyze so deeply that humans just sometimes not able to even find this kind of ways and this trajectory to analytics. For example, it is basically used in several areas like healthcare, management, business, social interaction even. Let's start about healthcare. Yeah, even doctors who got education, who professional with experience, sometimes cannot make such deep research about human health and predict the conditions what is gonna be ideal for specifically, each separates a person. But this system will just analyze data, compare with another person's, another experiences, and predict the future, predict the needs for someone. Normal. By the way, I made when I'm listening to the lecture, I am also making some notes, not to miss the crucial points here. In general, this is it. It's how it's going. Every single practice, every single day. See you tomorrow. The same. Okay. Alright. Have a good day.